Guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be a nice and chill skincare review on these products from Even Adam. Even Adam was kind enough to reach out to me and ask to send me a couple of their products to test out, and I love skincare, so of course I said yes. They sent me their Retinol night cream and their everyday moisturizer. And if you guys are interested in these products after I'm done with my review, there is a link down below that will save you 15% on their website. But this is going to be short and sweet, so let's get started. The first product, the Everyday Moisturizer right here, is $32 for a, what size is this? A 30 milliliter size, so 1 fluid ounce. It's $32, and it says it's a 3-month supply if it's applied twice daily. I apply it once daily. I use this as my morning moisturizer, so at that rate it says basically it's going to last me 6 months. I can tell you it's going to last me longer than that because I have already been using it every day in the morning for a month, and I have only used that much. So even though it is a little pricier, it will last a really long time. It is enriched with plant-derived ceramides that mimic skin's own natural protective layer. Think moisture retention and a barrier against stressors, even under drying conditions. So it has ceramides, hyaluronic acids, green tea and licorice, pro-vitamin B5 and A, and that's pretty much the highlights. I really like this for daytime because that's what it looks like, and I'll just rub it in and kind of show you what it leaves behind. But it is like really moisturizing, but at the same time super thin and lightweight, so that it dries down and absorbs super quickly, and I feel like I can immediately go in with an SPF, and I like don't have a bunch of stuff on my face. Like, it all absorbs, and it's really lightweight. Like before, I was using, because I love it so much, the Shiseido cream for day and night, and that one is so thick and rich and heavy that I would either have to like wait like 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry enough for me to put sunscreen on so that I felt like it actually absorbed, or I would just feel like I just had my sunscreen sitting on top of my skin, which is not what you want. So I have found this is the perfect moisturizer for me to pair with my sunscreen. And oh my gosh, please excuse my watery eyes if you see like tears streaming down my face with mascara. Don't mind that. It's allergy season. My eyes and my nose are going crazy, and I've been sneezing like crazy, and I can't get it to stop. I take allergy pills every day. I can't get it to stop. I digress though. So this, I think, is again a great everyday moisturizer, and I think with how long it's lasted me so far with using it for a month, the $32 is pretty worth it. Have I noticed any improvements in my skin other than like basic moisturizing from it? Not really, but I mean, I have other things to do things, so I don't need my moisturizer to do it all. But that's pretty much it for the everyday moisturizer. Like, everything I have to say about it. I love it for the morning under my sunscreen, and it's amazing. And then the other product they sent me is the Retinol night cream. Again, I've been using it for about a month, and that's the use on it. This one costs $45, and it is, again, 30 mils, so 1 ounce, which they say is a 4-month supply if you apply it twice weekly, which is about the rate I've been applying it, and I've had it for a month, so I think it's going to last longer than that again. And They said it is formulated to revive skin without irritation. It has 3 forms of retinol, microencapsulated and time release with 0.5% retinol, and delivers results and work to renew the look of skin with less irritation. It has matrixyl peptides that plump skin, creating a surface that looks smoother and firmer, and antioxidants such as vitamin E, ascorbic acid, carrot root oil, and they protect your skin from free radicals and damage, and algae, artemisia, and licorice extracts to prevent redness and peeling and soothing. Oh my, I do apologize for the watery eyes and the allergies. This is embarrassing to have black tears rolling down my face, but I'm not redoing this. You guys just gonna deal with my allergies. So that's pretty much the rundown of what is in this. I've honestly not used a retinol in years. I used to use one from Paula's Choice like 4 or 5 years ago. I used one from Paula's Choice, and at the time my skin was much more youthful. I noticed a difference, but not a huge difference, you know. But now I'm 32 and I definitely have lines and things that need help, and I feel like I look at my skin best with this. I of course have been testing other products and like skin fasting in between to make sure I know what's doing what, but when I use this and when I have been using this like twice a week, I have noticed that my forehead lines look like tighter, if like smoothed out, and like, oh gosh, there goes the tears again. I don't know how to explain the differences, but my skin, to me, just when I look at it, it looks like it's aging backwards, which is what we all want, right? And I think this is really gentle. I'm sure I could get away with using it more than twice a week. I only noticed irritation the first time, and it was a slight like tingly burny, and after that, no irritation at all. My skin got used to it really quickly and it's perfectly fine. And I'll just show you the texture. So waist to pump. So it's like that. It's about the same consistency as the moisturizer, just a little bit thicker. And yeah, it also is very lightweight, absorbs very quickly. So it's easy to layer with other skincare. And now my hand is gonna look youthful. Yes, that's awesome. Don't forget to treat your hands, ladies. They age too. So yeah, would I pay $45 for this to replace it? Absolutely. $45 is definitely, I think, worth it for a really quality treatment product. I am overall a fan of both of these. I really appreciate even Adam for sending them my way. Again, if you guys want to purchase them yourself, you can save 15% by clicking the link in my bio or description. And also I will receive a small commission. I will receive a small commission for you shopping from that link, but I do appreciate your support, and if you don't want to use it, you don't have to, no pressure. I did want to mention at the end of this video that this is probably, I know I've been like offline for a little bit, and this is probably gonna be my last video for a few weeks. I am going through moving again for the millionth time, and there's just a lot to do. As you can see, my shelves behind me are torn apart in a disaster, and I might do an empties video to film all my trash so I don't have to move with it. But other than that, yeah, you're probably not seeing me again until September, probably, which I'm bummed about, but like, there's so much to do to prepare the house for being able to move out of it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Those of you that usually watch all of my videos are usually the people that care if I'm going to be around or not. So yeah, little update for you. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.